12th plenary meeting of the General Assembly is called to order. The Assembly will hear an address by His Excellency Bakir Izetbegovic, Chairman of the Presidency of Bosnia and Herzegovina. I request protocol to escort His Excellency. On behalf of the General Assembly, I have the honor to welcome to the United Nations His Excellency Bakir Izetbegovic, Chairman of the Presidency of Bosnia and Herzegovina, and to invite him to address the Assembly.
Mr. President, Mr. Secretary General, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I would like to congratulate Mr. President on your election and thank Mr. Nasir Abdulaziz Al Nasser for successfully presiding over the previous session of the General Assembly.